Tired of waiting for payday to snag that must-have item? Learn how to use Affirm on the Walmart app and buy now, pay later. First, find the item you want to purchase within the Walmart app and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout when you reach the payment method selection. Look for and choose the Affirm option. Walmart will then securely redirect you to Affirm's quick application process, where you'll answer a few simple questions to determine your eligibility. If approved, Affirm will present you with various payment plan options, allowing you to select the term that best fits your budget. Review the details of your chosen plan, including the total amount, interest if applicable, and your payment schedule, then confirm to complete your purchase. After your purchase, download the Affirm app or visit Affirm.com to manage your payments, view your schedule, and track your ongoing financing. Affirm offers convenient autopay options and sends reminders, making it easy to stay on top of your payments and avoid late fees. Now you're all set to use Affirm on the Walmart app, making big purchases more manageable with flexible payment plans.